Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining a tight set of seed keywords that match your Facebook ad objective. Pick 5 to 10 terms with clear intent. Open Google Trends, set the exact country and last 12 months, and select the relevant category to filter noise. Once set, use the compare feature to run those keywords side by side so you can see relative interest. This gives an immediate, data-driven shortlist to feed into Facebook's detailed targeting and ad creative tests. Now analyze the results. Look for seasonal trends, sudden spikes, and consistent growth. Once you spot spikes, click through related queries to separate high-intent phrases from general interest. Rising queries show emerging opportunities, while top queries show stable demand. Make sure to view the subregion heat map to find where interest is strongest, because that guides bid and budget allocation on Facebook. Combine those insights to create ad sets with tailored copy and creative that match regional intent. Finish by exporting your prioritized term list and grouping it by intent, transactional versus informational, and by region. Once grouped, import these into Facebook Ads Manager as interest targets, layered keywords in custom audiences, or headline/test variables for a /B testing. Monitor early performance and be ready to pivot. If you see low search signal or too few impressions, expand the time frame, loosen category filters, or add 1/2 broader seed terms to increase data. Troubleshoot by iterating quickly and rechecking trends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.